So we're out here today. We're installing a new GAF solar roof on our personal house. What are the guys doing on the house?
I'm breaking it.
Are they fixing it?
Yes.
What are we fixing?
We fixed the house.
Yeah, we're fixing the house. Can you say fixing the roof?
Fix the roof.
Yeah. Are we making the house so it's going to stay dry when it rains?
Mm-hmm.
Is that so nice?
Mm-hmm.
What's your favorite part about working at Property Revolution?
I helped you.
Oh, help me.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like your shirt?
Mm-hmm.
What's your shirt say?
How Poppy wears it.
As Property Revolution.
Mm-hmm.
Is that so nice?
Yes.
Is that the shirt that you wear when you work outside?
Yeah.
What kind of work do you like to do?
I fixed house.
You fix houses?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Thanks for making a difference in the world, Lacey.
You're welcome, Dad.